Immunology Insights, Basics and Beyond, Chapter 35, Pioneer Noel Rose in the Discovery of Autoimmunity. Marcello here. Welcome back to Immunology Insights, Basics and Beyond. In the last chapters, we explored how the immune system can mistakenly target the body's own tissues, leading to autoimmune diseases such as lupus, rheumatoid arthritis, and type 1 diabetes. Today, we will step back from these disease mechanisms to honor a true pioneer in immunology, Noel Rose, often called the father of autoimmunity. Noel Rose's dedication to fundamental research led to the discovery that the immune system can mistakenly attack the body itself, a concept that revolutionized immunology and continues to influence modern medicine. So let's talk science. Who was Noel Rose? Noel Rose lived from 1927 to 2020 and is often referred to as the father of autoimmunity. Born in Stamford, Connecticut, he pursued his passion for science from a young age, earning his undergraduate degree from Yale University. He went on to obtain his PhD from the University of Pennsylvania, specializing in microbiology and immunology. Rose's academic journey led him to the Johns Hopkins School of Public Health, where he spent much of his career conducting research and mentoring young scientists. His work at Johns Hopkins, alongside Ernest Whitebsky at the State University of New York at Buffalo, marked a turning point in our understanding of autoimmunity. How was autoimmunity discovered? Before Noel Rose's groundbreaking work in the 1950s, the prevailing belief was that the immune system inherently avoided attacking the body's own tissues, a concept known as horror autotoxicus, introduced by Paul Ehrlich. It suggested that self-reactive immune responses were biologically impossible. Rose challenged this idea through a series of experiments aimed at understanding how the immune system reacts to thyroglobulin, a protein naturally found in the thyroid gland. How did these experiments work? Well, Rose injected rabbits with thyroglobulin extracted from their own thyroid glands, combined with an adjuvant to enhance the immune response. To his surprise, the rabbits developed autoantibodies against their own thyroglobulin, leading to thyroiditis. The key to the reaction was that the adjuvant created an inflammatory environment, causing the immune system to perceive the thyroglobulin as foreign. This broke the normal tolerance, leading the immune system to attack its own thyroid tissue. This experiment demonstrated that the immune system could indeed recognize and attack self-antigens, and that autoantibodies could directly cause autoimmune diseases, as seen in the resulting thyroiditis. This breakthrough provided the first clear evidence that autoimmunity was not only possible, but could be experimentally induced. It also explained how diseases like Hashimoto's thyroiditis and Graves' disease, which are both autoimmune hyperthyroidisms, a condition where the thyroid gland does not produce enough thyroid hormones, could arise when the immune system attacks thyroid proteins. What is the significance of Rose's work? Well, first, he challenged the dogma. Rose's experiments proved that self-tolerance could be broken, demonstrating that the immune system was capable of attacking the body's own tissues under certain conditions. He also paved the way with his discovery that was crucial in identifying autoantibodies as disease markers and linking them to specific conditions like lupus, rheumatoid arthritis, Hashimoto's thyroiditis, and type 1 diabetes. This understanding paved the way for autoantibody testing and the development of targeted immunosuppressive therapies. And of course, he defined autoimmune diseases. Rose's work established autoimmune thyroiditis as a model for studying organ-specific autoimmunity. This concept was later applied to many other diseases, including multiple sclerosis, where the immune system attacks parts of the central nervous system, leading to neurological symptoms like muscle weakness and coordinated issues. And of course, Rose defined autoimmune diseases. Rose's work established autoimmune thyroiditis as a model for studying organ-specific autoimmunity. This concept was later applied to many other diseases, including multiple sclerosis, where the immune system attacks part of the central nervous system, leading to neurological symptoms. And also myasthenia gravis, where the production of autoantibodies against acetylcholine receptors causes muscle weakness and fatigue. And Rose's work has a continuous impact. Even decades later, Rose remained actively involved in immunology, promoting the idea that fundamental research could challenge established beliefs and lead to medical breakthroughs. On a more personal note, at an immunology conference in 1987, Noel Rose was asked about his legacy. Smiling with modesty, he replied, "I didn't set out to discover autoimmunity, I just followed the science." This statement not only highlights his scientific integrity, but also his passion for open-minded exploration. Rose often encouraged his students to question established ideas and pursue research based on solid experimental evidence. One of his former students once recalled how Rose would meticulously analyze data, often saying, "The data will speak for itself, but only if we let it to." This mindset reflects his beliefs in rigorous science and his commitment to honest, transparent research. And it still matters today. Noel Rose's work continues to shape how we diagnose and treat autoimmune diseases. Understanding that the immune system can attack the body itself revolutionized approaches of autoantibody testing, immunosuppressive therapy, and even vaccine development. His legacy lies not only in the groundbreaking discovery itself, but also in the fostering a spirit of scientific curiosity and perseverance. Today, as we continue to investigate new autoimmune mechanisms and develop therapies, the foundation Rose built remains as relevant as ever. His pioneering spirit is a reminder that challenging established beliefs can lead to breakthroughs that change medical practice and save lives. To conclude, Noel Rose's legacy in immunology is unparalleled. His discovery of autoimmunity challenged long-held beliefs and laid the groundwork for decades of research, ultimately transforming our understanding of many chronic diseases. Rose's life and work exemplify the impact that curiosity-driven research can have on science and medicine. His contributions continue to inspire both seasoned researchers and newcomers to the field. In our next chapter, we will step back into the clinical landscape to explore how modern research is pushing the boundaries of autoimmune disease treatment, focusing on the latest breakthroughs and therapeutic approaches. Before closing, I have a small request. If you enjoyed my content and want to hear more, like and subscribe. It's a small step for you, but it helps me a lot. So see you next time and thank you for listening.